Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is going to be a very short video. I'm going to show you how I prep my skin for makeup. This isn't my skincare routine. This is like if I'm going out and I want my makeup application to be its absolute best and I want my makeup to last really long. This is what I'm going to do to my skin to make sure I achieve those goals. So without further ado, let's just jump right in. First things first is you always want to start with a clean canvas. So wash your face, and for the sake of this video, I'm obviously not going to just show you me washing my face. You guys seen that. I'm just going to go ahead and take some makeup wipes and I'm just going to clean my face using them. Clean face is so important before starting your makeup. Having a clean canvas, one, will make sure no bacteria or germs gets into your makeup. I also avoid doing my makeup when I'm sick because I really don't want to contaminate my makeup products, so it's great to really just avoid doing that. So once my face has been thoroughly cleaned, I'm going to then go ahead and take some moisturizer. I'm just using my Garnier skincare moisturizer, and I'm just gonna rub that into my face. Moisturizing your face makes makeup apply better. It has a more smoother canvas to glide across. And a lot of times if your face is dry, makeup likes to stick to those dry patches. So it's important to hydrate your skin. My next step is SPF, which honestly I am not even great at using SPF all the time. I wish I just used it every single day, but I usually forget and I have to do it in the mornings. But if you want to include anything into your skincare routine, it's making sure to sunscreen your face even in the winter, because just because it's cold doesn't mean the sun isn't shining through those clouds. And most of the times when I am doing my makeup, it's because I'm going outside. So it's important to have that layer of protection. One thing that a lot of people do to prep for makeup is making sure that their eyebrows are done. Whether that's tweezing or waxing or using a pair of scissors to just get a perfectly clean line. I actually like to use a mini electric razor. This one is specifically made for brows. I'm going to actually show you how I do my brows. This is actually better to do first. Oh well. Yeah, I'm just going to clean up my brows just a little bit. They don't need too much. First things first is I will brush up my brows. I like to brush them up first, and then using the side of the spoolie, I will just go along and kind of create that shape that I want. So this brow is actually fine. This brow, I'm just going to fix the tail up a little bit. I have to get out of the screen so it will focus. So it has these two little razors. There's a larger one and there's a smaller one for more detailed work. What I like to do is I like to take the larger one and I start to slowly take away hair. And I'm going to actually start higher than I think I need and slowly work my way down. Just because you don't want to go too low and take too much, because that's not a good look. Trust me, it's not a good look. And the other reason why I brush through my brows first is because that way I can see exactly where I like hair to be and where I do not want hair to be. Also take the time just to clean up around the edge. Not necessarily cleaning up the brow, just any little hairs that are higher up, just to get a really sharp looking defined brow. There is like an air show or something going on because there are non-stop wild planes just flying by. So once we have reached this stage of our skin prep, it's actually an important tip to just wait about 10 or 15 minutes, because you do want these products to soak into the skin a bit. It's just going to really make sure all the hydration is deeply penetrated into the skin and that there's not too much product when we go into makeup. So the next step is to prime the skin, and I like to prime my skin in 3 sections. I like to prime my eyes, I like to prime my face, and I like to prime my lips. I'm going to start by taking any eyeshadow primer that you like. I'm using the e.l.f. Stay All Day eyeshadow primer. Using barely even a pea-sized amount, you need so little. I'm just going to buff this over the eye, just using my fingers. This is going to help your eyeshadows to last a lot longer, as well as to make Why? As well as make your any colorful shadows you use a lot more vibrant. Now we're gonna prime the skin. Wow, it's just an e.l.f. kind of day. I'm using the e.l.f. Hydrating Serum Primer. And just take any primer that you want, whether you want something that's better for filling in the pores, something that's gonna hydrate the skin, something that's gonna add some glow. Pick whatever primer you enjoy using and that's gonna benefit your makeup look that day. Some people think primers are useless. I find they make a big difference in making my makeup apply better and look a lot nicer. So I am a believer in the primers. I like to use my lip balm at the beginning of the makeup process just because I want to give that lip balm some time to really soak into my lips. So my lips aren't slip slidey when I go to put on my lipstick or liquid lipstick later on. And I'm just using my Quo 2-in-1 lip balm with a lip scrub and a lip balm. And that is it, you guys. That is how I prep my face. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, make sure to leave a thumbs up. Subscribe for new videos every Monday and Thursday. And comment below for what you guys would like to see next time. And until next time, bye!